Hey guys, what's up? So I want to show you a really cool feature of Gutenberg, the block editor, that I really like. And I only just discovered this yesterday, so I might be a bit slow off the mark, but it's typically something I want to share with you because it's really powerful. So typically with Gutenberg, and with the WordPress editor for that matter, if you want to add an image, you simply search for an image as you know, or you upload it to the media library over here, and then you can insert it either from the media library directly or from an uploaded image. So that process can get a bit, what's the word I'm looking for, robotic. But one other way I've worked out with Gutenberg is you can actually embed an image directly and have it pull the image into the media library. So think of Facebook when you paste an image into Facebook and uploads it, as opposed to having to upload it manually through the file system. Let me show you what I mean. So I am going to grab some images for you, some fresh images, and just give me 1 sec and I'll get them. So just putting them into a folder so you can see them. So here we go. So let's give Prue some friends. So basically, if I was to add the image the native way or the traditional way, I could add a gallery. Simple grid. I'm using this plugin, which is really cool, and I can just add these pictures of Prue directly in there. So I've already got the pictures of Prue on my computer, which is cool, so I don't have to do anything and add them again. But what if I had an entire new gallery on my folder on my computer, and I didn't want to have to upload them, or I just felt lazy? So it's really cool. I can select these friends of Prue's, and I can drag them and drop them onto the editor, and it will upload them automatically. So it's not pulling them from a location, or it is, but it's not actually linking to the location. It's what it's doing is it's actually putting them into my media library. So that's pretty cool. Still got one left to go. It's pretty slow, but it gets the job done. And these images are high definition, so it's probably crunching them. You'll notice this image has been crunched to 497 kilobytes. The original image itself was, let's see, 15 megabytes. So my computer, or rather WordPress, has probably got a new system in place for crushing or optimizing the images when added to Gutenberg. Typically it just uploads the direct file size. So that's cool in of its own. But what I do want to show you is something else that's cool, and how this applies to you as a blogger. Let's say I want to create a blog post, and I have the blog post in a document here. So I can copy, let's say, copy some of the text, like I'll just copy this text here for argument's sake, into here. So one thing I noticed is Gutenberg also strips out blank spaces, whereas the traditional editor had this is a different topic though, but the traditional editor had the habit of not stripping out spaces, which is a good improvement. But let's say I want to add the images. What I can actually do here is go into, let's say I'll add this image here. No, this, oh, whatever this one do. Click on the image, right click, click copy, and then click paste. And it does the same thing. It uploads this image really quickly, mind you, simply because the image itself was a small image to start with. It uploads it to the media gallery and optimizes it. So that's pretty much my big discovery for today.